Explore the power of possibilities with Nichiha. Whatever the look you're after, there's a Nichiha architectural wall panel to help you achieve it. This animated installation video series is a new way for us to share with you our inside story and show you what's possible with our fiber cement system solution. Vertical expansion joints and horizontal compression joints. When walls clad with Nichiha architectural wall panels are 50 feet or longer without corners or offsets, they require vertical expansion joints to be installed every 30 feet to relieve stresses from normal expansion and contraction of the materials. Unless manufactured corners are used, vertical expansion joints are required within 2 to 10 feet from each outside corner, one on each wall. This video demonstrates a typical metal stud wall with dense glass sheathing, weather-resistive barrier per local code, and has extra framing installed at the planned expansion joint locations. Measure and mark the center line of the planned expansion joint on the weather-resistive barrier. For best results, use our double flange sealant backer at all vertical expansion joints. It provides exact spacing for the joint, provides 2-point contact between the sealant and the panels, while providing the recommended depth of sealant. Fasten the backer at the center line mark using one screw every 12 to 14 inches on center. Remove the shiplap edge from the right of the panel and seal the exposed edge. Fasten the architectural wall panel to the wall using corrosion-resistant screws and panel clips butting the panel against the backer. Install the remaining wall panels using the same procedure. Notice that the stud framing is arranged so sealant backer and panel clips are fastened through the sheathing into studs. For a clean sealant joint, apply tape to the panel edges using a low adhesive tape such as painter's tape. Fill the joint with sealant and remove tape to complete the vertical expansion joint. Part 2. Horizontal compression joints. For buildings greater than 3 stories or 45 feet, horizontal compression joints are required. The spacing of these horizontal joints vary according to the construction type. Consult the Nichiha installation guides for more information on spacing requirements. This video demonstrates a typical horizontal compression joint on a metal stud wall assembly. Horizontal joints should be located at floor lines. Remove the shiplapped edge from the top of the panel directly beneath the planned compression joint, and be sure to seal the exposed edge after cutting. Install the top course of panels and place a Nichiha shim behind the panel at the top. Fasten using one corrosion-resistant screw every 16 inches on center. Install Z-flashing above the last course, leaving a 1/4 inch gap between the Z-flashing and the top edge of the last course. Use flashing tape to seal the flashing to the weather-resistive barrier. Install the starter track 1 1/4 inches above the panel below. This will create a 1/2 inch clearance between the courses, creating the desired compression joint. For more videos and more information about our complete line of fiber cement architectural wall panels, visit nichiha.com.